Before we start this video, we wish WWF Happy 50th Anniversary.
祝 WWF 50周年快乐
Selamat ulang tahun ke-50 WWF.
WWF'க்கு 50வது ஆண்டு விழா வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Hello everyone, today's video is going to teach how to join Earth Hour Pledge for Nature created by WWF. First of all, you need to go to www.about.wwf/earth-hour-pledge-for-nature, and you will go to this website and you scroll down. You just need to fill all the informations, and at the company and education institution, you just need to type MUH1. That will be done. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Please join us and remember to like and share to your family and friends. Thank you.